All right. Hey, thank you all for being at Antique Archaeology here this morning. We're so happy to be here playing music for you. I'm sure we got people from all over the country, all over the world here this morning. So thank you all so much for joining us here in Music City. Mr. Doc Bennett, thank you, buddy, for having us here this morning.
Thank you.
We do have CDs. This is Miss Shannon Callihan here this morning. I'm Jeremy Dean. Thank you so much. Mr. Ben Hoover back here on the cajon. So we're going to do some fun stuff for you here. Stuff that we've written, and you can find some CDs down here, down front. You can just leave a donation in the tip banjo bucket. That'd be great. We really appreciate it. Ready? Yeah. Let's do it. Nobody fades anymore.
No, and as a matter of fact, what's getting popular is like...
That's right, they just cut it.
And it doesn't resolve.
If you can fade live, that's really cool, see? We might try that again. All right.
Those are the most beautiful components.
Miss Shannon Callihan here with me this morning. Thank y'all so much for being here. And I want to remind you, we do have a little tip banjo case down here, so thank y'all. Be sure and grab some CDs when you leave. We're so happy to...
and an egg basket.
That's right, and an egg basket tip jar. So, and now Shannon's EP is just released this week for download, but we just happen to have some preview copies here, so you'll get it before anyone else gets it if you want CDs of Miss Shannon Callihan this morning. All right?
This is when you're calling all the time. I've got to be right on time for you. You gotta be right on time to stay on your mind. quicker too. You'll take your life and move to someone new. Oh, what I do, learn to wait like this. Feelings don't stick, and then we need who's gonna treat you like this.
Miss Shannon Callihan. Yeah, I could use a little more of you. That's what I was wondering earlier. When he comes back, just tell me. All right. Here's one that Shannon and I wrote together. Another one. Yeah, we raised that. The city? You want to try that? I'll make one. Miss Shannon Callihan, want to remind y'all this morning. Hey, thank you, buddy. Appreciate y'all very much. Thank you. Thank you. Absolutely. She's got her EP that just released this week, and if you want a copy, this is the preview copies of the CD. We have some, but they're not even released out yet. So if you want one, be sure to see us up here. You can leave a tip in the banjo case. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, Harlan. Appreciate you, man. And we really appreciate you being out here this morning. Miss Shannon Callihan.
I'm going to do a newer one. Well, I came to the city. I came there for you. I said neon lights, so many faces pass me by. Where we go, I don't know. What we do, everything goes down. And days they seem to fly within the blink of the night. Because I lost track of time in the city, babe. I got lost in you. No. And what we do, you sure I don't get anything. Horses and me. I lost track of time in the city. I got lost in you. No. And what we do, you sure I don't care anything. As long as I'm with you. See, I will catch a cave, you say catch a clap for two. Don't you let it think go wrong. You see someone new. And one last kiss and one last touch before I have to go. I'm leaving the city, loving to love. Since I'm so slow and I'm and I'm just saying I lost track of time. 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 Like I lost in you.
Miss Shannon Callihan. Reminding you, we've got her EP here with us this morning, preview copies, so be sure and pick those up. We've got a tip case down here. Just leave a tip when you leave. We appreciate that. Ben Hoover, thank you for sitting here this forward, buddy. Want to do, let's take it slow. This crazy world spins faster every day. Ooh, out of control. But tonight, you and I will be driving down the road. Let's take our time and the long way home. Ooh, let's take it slow. Ooh, it slow. The moon shining bright on that beach tonight, with the ocean breeze, baby, let's dance. As I hold you close, I want you to know, like the waves rolling in, you wash over my soul. Ooh, let's take it slow. Ooh, let's take it slow. The worries of life, just let them go. The sand falls fast in that hourglass. So ooh, let's take it slow. Ooh, let's take it slow. The worries of life, just let them go. The sand falls fast in that hourglass. So ooh, let's take it slow. Ooh, let's take it slow. Thank y'all.
Hey, where'd you find this good guitar from?
I know, right?
How long have you been playing?
7 or 8 years.
More than
Half her life.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Alright, gonna do one that I wrote. This one's called Men.
Are y'all hearing up here?
Maybe just
A little more what lecture? Turn you up a little.
Thinking about everything, moment in love, with pain, in the broken heart, send me back to the start. I gotta pick up the pieces. I gotta pick up the pieces.
Callahan. Yeah, I was trying to, when I go to strums, I'm trying to slow it down. Like I'm going, when I go there, I'm like, dude, that's where we need to slow it down. It's a little fast. There's a groove. All right. We're going to do another one that we wrote. A song called Hold On To This. Thank y'all so much for being here. I want to remind you, Miss Shannon Callihan, she's got her brand new EP out this week. And you're the first people to get copies if you want copies, preview copies. The CD's not even out yet. But we've got some with us here, so feel free to see us down the front. You can just leave a tip in the banjo case if you like. You don't hear that very often. Leave a tip in the banjo case. Tell you about that. But thank y'all so much. Here we go. Okay, so we got time. So we're on the first one. You want to move just now to get your phone on? What's her name? Okay, yeah, we better move to those two. We'll just get fresh with you for today. Thank y'all so much for being here this morning from all over the world. Antique Archaeology, great pleasure. Mr. Doc Bennett, thanks for having us, buddy.
Thank you.
Miss Shannon Callihan. She's got a brand new EP this week. The download came out, and you're the first people to get actual hard copies if you'd like a preview copy of the CD. They're right down front. I've got a CD down front as well, and you can throw a tip in the banjo case. I love that. We don't hear that often.
And you know what?
And what?
You are songwriters like 60,000 other songwriters here in town, and this is how you make your living.
That's right. We are songwriters. This is how we do it. So thank y'all so much for being with us here this morning. Here's another one that we wrote.
Hey, there is a question.
Yeah.
How old is Shannon?
How old is Shannon? That's the question. She's still young enough you can ask, but she's 23.
Somebody just suggested 14.
There, she gets that a lot. All right, here we go.
Give me one last chance, is all. Won't you burn again as I break it all? Don't say don't need to do, don't say mistakes, it's all my fault. I know you'll give me one more second chance with you. But I'm not. It's a call, make that call, let it go. I can be what you need, this is me saying honesty. It's a call, make that call, you gotta know. Give me time and you'll find there's more, you know what's there. So for me, it's a call. Hear me out, then forget everything I'm saying. Leave me be, you're better off instead. And I don't mean to do you wrong, sorry and I'm moving on. And I've got 1,000 times that you're so simple minds all alone. It's a call, baby, come let it go. I can be what you need, this is me saying honesty. It's a call, make that call, you gotta know. Give me time and you'll find there's more, you know what's best. So for you, chase another dream, reach some place you want me to be. And it's up to you. It's tough to choose on your own. It's so cold, make that call, let it go. I can be what you need, this is me saying honestly. Oh no, it's so cold, make that call, you gotta know. Anytime you find there's more, you know what's best. So for it's your call.
Very nice. All right, we're going to finish our set here. Thank you, Doc Bennett, for having us. Always a pleasure, buddy. And we're gonna finish with the newest song that we've written. It's a catchy tune. I love this. I love this song. I keep telling her, I can't wait till we get this one recorded because it's just so much. It's just a groove that I love, and it's a great feel. So thank you all so much for being here with us this morning. I want to remind you, Shannon's EP released this week download-wise, but you're the first people to get hard copies. If you like, right down front, just leave a tip in the banjo case. Hey, thank you all so much for being here. I'm Jeremy Dean, Miss Shannon Callihan, Mr. Ben Hoover.
Too soon to call. Can't help but feel alone when you're out on the road. It don't make sense without you, baby. You make me go crazy. So it is, you gotta go is one thing that you need. Shade you red, and everywhere I go, I want you there. So it don't make sense without you, baby. You make me go crazy. So it is, you gotta go one thing that you need.
Miss Shannon Callihan this morning. Thank you so much. I'm Jeremy Dean, Mr. Ben Hoover. Thank y'all for having us. We got a lot of great music here coming up. Mr. Doc Bennett hosts a great talent every Saturday, and so we're going to get him. I don't know where he's running around here, but I guess we could do one more. I don't see him. Where did he? Did he go outside again? Well, I guess that means we got time. We'll do one more then.
Good. You do 10 more.
Yeah. I guess we'll just do it till he says stop. All right, well, we'll do this one.
Until I leave.
All right, well, we'll try this then. Sunshine, big red. Oh, let's go fast. Let's slow this way down. Sunshine, big red tomatoes after the rain. Sweat beads on the cold Coca-Cola in the shade. Spark sparkling dew on the sweet spring flower, ducks rub-a-dub in a little rain shower. Any way you see it, baby, I love getting fresh with you. Boat ride on a picnic Sunday sure makes me smile. Cheek to cheek, dancing out a step, yeah, maybe that's our style. You have a way of making the world go away. You bring it to me, baby, my own happy place. Every day I see it more, I love getting fresh with you. Syrupy, sweet little kisses, dreamy cuddles, hugging my little missus. Ain't getting old, and I'm getting fresh with you. Fresh with you. Crazy giggles got you, baby, while we dance, tickling noses like the birds and the bees in the summer breeze, hummingbirds on a bed of roses. I feel the flutter of a butterfly, and I know it must be love. With you. Hey, thank y'all so much. Appreciate you.
That far right slide, pull it down on the far right side of that board. On the board, pull it down.
This one?
Yeah, all the way down. There you go.
Can I take a picture of you out here with y'all?
Oh wait, how can I take girls? Well, I'll turn it. Oh, the monitor. Let's see. Turn the one to the left of it down too.
Yeah,
there you
there's
go.
monitor.
Yeah, good.
Ramon.
Oh, good.
Get up
Because
there.
I know there's music coming up here. There he is. Hey, bro. How are you, buddy? Good to see you. Good to see you. We'll get a picture real quick, then we'll get out of the way. 'Cause they got it set up.
I know.
So we need to get out of
I
here.
know.
All right.
I'll hurry.
You got it. You got it. There's Shannon. Right over here. Okay.
Perfect. Thank you.
Awesome. Now, thank you so much. Appreciate you being here.
See you at church.
All right. Sounds good. We'll just set it back over here to the side. We got to go. Yeah. Always love your work, Jim. How are you, buddy? Good to see you. Ben Hoover. Don't get out of your way.